Okay, so for today, discuss natin yung second module ng Stat and Proba or Statistics and Probability. Okay, so this is what you call frequency distribution table. Okay, going back to the definition of your statistics. Statistics is a discipline of study dealing with the collection, organizing, presentation, analysis, interpretation of data. Okay, so yung collection, yun yung module 1. Organizing na tayo ngayon. Ngayon, yung collection, balikan na lang natin yan pag kung sakaling may tanong ka dyan. Pero again, babasahin mo lang yan at maiintindihan mo na yung module number 1 kasi wala namang computation doon. So, for the organizing, I have example here. This is a good example for you since you are a BSED students. Teacher kayo pagkatapos nyo mag-aral, no? So, my example is a good example for you. Given the test score of 50 students in their midterm examination in statistics, ito yung tinatawag na raw score. Ito yung mga scores ng estudyante. Okay? 50 students. So, dahil 50 yung students, at let's assume na lahat nag-exam, ito yung 50 na scores. Yan. Now, the first thing na gagawin mo, pagkatapos mo makuha yung raw data, is what you call the array data, or also known as the arranged data. So, there are two ways to do that. You can arrange the data from lowest to highest or from highest to lowest. It's up to you. Basta naka-arrange siya. For your own convenience yon. Okay? Hindi ko na nilagay dito yung arrangement ko, pero ang highest observation ko or yung pinakamataas na score ay 54. Let's say I'm arranging the scores from highest to lowest. So may score dyan, at ang lowest score ko nandito. Okay, huwag niyong gagawin yan kasi kailangan niyo isulat lahat to minimize time and to maximize your data para mabilis lang kayo manonood. Okay, ang lowest observation dito is this score. Okay? Lowest observation, highest observation. HOH. HO, highest observation. LO, lowest observation. Okay? So again, just arrange the data. It's either from highest to lowest or lowest to highest. Okay? Next thing na gagawin mo is to compute the range and the class interval. Okay? To compute the range and the class interval, ito palaging given to. The desired number of classes. In this case, the desired number of classes is 7. So, ang range natin, denoted by R, so let R be the range. So, pag nasulat ko yung R, alam mo nang ibig sabihin na range yan. So, yung range natin, para makwenta mo, is equals to highest observation minus lowest observation. In this example, highest observation is 54 minus the lowest observation is 20. Okay? And that's 34. So that is the range. Now, to determine class interval, so let Ci be our class interval. Okay. Sa class interval, ako ang gagamitin ko si I na nilagay ko naman. Okay, so to do that, let's use I na lang na maliit. Let's use I na lang na maliit. To determine the class interval of small I, that is range over desired number of classes. So, our range is 34 the number of desired classes is 7. So that is 4.80 something. I think 86. Kwenta natin. 34 divide 7. Okay, that's good. 84.86. But you need to round your answer always sa whole number. So 4.86 means that is approximately 5. So ito yung tinatawag na class interval. Okay? Again, to minimize the time and to maximize your data para magamit mo pa sa iba, complete the frequency table below for the given data above. Ngayon, dahil di ba in-arrange mo to, in-arrange mo yan from highest to lowest or lowest to highest, mamaya na yun. Ito muna ano, yung classes muna. So, magsimula ka sa lowest observation. Sa lowest observation, kasama yung 20, magbilang ka ng interval. So, 20, kasama yung 20, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, that is 5. So, yun. Okay? And I think you can do this. Okay? So, kung bibilangin natin kung ilan yung classes, the first class is 20 to 24, that's the first class. Second class is 25 to 29, third class is 30 to 34, fourth class is 35 to 39, and so on. Ang seventh class ay 50 to 54, which is, sabi nga, the desired number of classes is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Ngayon, dahil meron ka ng class, ngayon, from that, magtatali ka na. Of course, wala pa tong complete table na to. Ginawa ko na yan para, again, to minimize our time so that you can maximize your data. Okay? Sabi, sa class number 1 natin, sa first class nating 20 to 24, meron tayong dalawang data na nandun sa interval na yun. Hanapin natin. 20, of course, gamit tayo ng ibang kulay. Let's use orange. Ito yung 20, isa. Tsaka yung hanapin natin yung iba pang dalawa. Wala ka nang makikita dyang data na nasa interval ng 20 tsaka 24. So, dalawa lang yan. So, ang ibig sabihin, let's assume na wala pa yung from frequency to P, wala pa yan. Magtatali ka pa lang dito. Dalawa. Ang pagtatali ng 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, diba close? Tapos, parang sa election. And so on. Alam mo na yan. So, kailangan may tali ka muna. Then, from that tali, makukuha mo yung frequency. Of course, bibilangin mo lang naman yon. Okay? So, check na tayo dyan. Kaya mo na yan. Ano yung LL? By the way, lahat ng headers ay nasa notation. At ang notation natin ay nasa ilalim. Nandito yon. Kung gusto mong malaman yung ibig sabihin ng notation, nandito yan sa bandang ilalim. Okay? So, paliwanag ko lang yung first class natin. So, saan galing yung 20? Yung 20, LL means lower limit. Ito yung 20. Ito yung lower, by the way, no? Sa 20 to 24, ang tawag dito lower limit, ito yung upper limit. So, kaya 20 yung LL ng first class natin kasi yung lower limit ng first class ay 20. Which is, it follows that the upper limit is 24. Ano naman yung lower class boundaries? So, from the lower limit, magma-minus ka lang ng 0.5. So, that is from 20 minus 0.5, that is 19.5. Doon naman sa upper limit, mag-a-add ka naman ng 0.5. So, from 24 plus 0.5, that is 24.5. Okay? So, okay na tayo sa lower limit, upper limit, lower class boundaries, upper class boundaries. Ano naman yung CM? Ang CM ay class mark. Ang class mark is midpoint ng class. So, sa 2024, para makuha mo yung 20 plus 24 divide 2. That's the midpoint. So, that is 44 over 2. That is 22. That's the reason kung bakit 22 yung ito. Bakit 22 yan? Okay? So, it follows yung iba. Kung ano yung ginawa sa first class, given their frequency, their own respective frequency, hindi yung 2 kukopihin mo rin sa second class kasi kanya-kanyang frequency yan. Okay? Bisid math ka naman, kaya mo yan. Or madali lang naman to. Pinapaliwanag naman natin. Kung hindi ka naman bisid math. Ano naman tong CF less than? Baba natin. Ang CF less than ay tinatawag na cumulative frequency less than. Sa cumulative frequency less than, meron kasing greater than later. So, less than, kukunin mo yung frequency ng una. That's 2. Yung 2 na to, yung 2 na to, yung 2 na to, tsaka yung 6 na to, i-add mo. So, 2 plus 6 is 8. So, ito na yon. Yung 8 na to, tsaka yung 9, kaya tinatawag na cumulative frequency. Nag-a-add ka doon from different classes. Cumulatively. Okay? Sunod. 17. 8 plus 9 is 17 hanggang makarating ka sa 50. Take note na ang palatandaan na tama ang sagot mo, dapat ma-reach out mo yung number of data mo o rin tinatawag na number ng sample out of the population. Okay? So, ito yun, yung small n na yan. Okay? Ano naman ang ibig sabihin ng cumulative frequency greater than? So, that is the reverse process. Pataas naman. So, kunin mo yung 4, ito yung 4, kunin mo, i-add mo pataas. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 12, 23. And so on, up to the total number of data. Again, hindi pa laging 50 ha. Total number of data. Depende yan sa number of data mo. Okay. So, check na tayo sa class mark. Dito, check na rin. Check na rin sa cumulative frequency greater than. Ngayon, so paano kinukuha to? RCF less than, RCF greater than. Para siyang ganito rin, no? Cumulative frequency less than, tsaka ano. Pero itong RF greater than, ang RF greater than ay relative frequency less than. Dahil relative frequency, relative cumulative frequency less than siya, kailangan mo muna, no? Nagkamali ako ng arrangement dito. Pero sinadya ko yan para kasi mamaya kasi sa pie graph, kailangan ko kasi yan. Pero ito, dito ka muna. Okay, paano to? Paano nakuha yung 4 na to? Paano nakuha yung 4? Okay? Para makuha mo yung cumulative, hindi cumulative. Relative frequency. Yung frequency of that class. First class lang tayo. 2, di ba? Ito yon 2. Tapal tayong kulay. Para alam yung iba yung pinag-uusapan. Ito yung 2. So, yung 2, i-divide mo ng 50. So, obviously, that is 1 over 25. And that is 0.04. So, from, frequency of the class over small n of the class over times 100. So, pag tinimes ko sa 100 to, magiging 4 yan. That's the reason kung bakit siya 4. So, same procedure sa iba. Subukan natin tong 8. Paano naging 8 to? Okay? Yung 4, i-divide mo ng 50, ang lalabas dyan ay 2 over 25. Okay? I-times mo sa 100, yung 2 over 25, 2 divide 25, okay, times 100 will give you 8. Kasi yung 2 over 25, that is 0.08 times 100 equals 8. So, ito yon. Ngayon, pag na meron ka ng relative frequency, kaya mo nang gawin yung relative frequency less than tsaka relative frequency greater than. Paano yun? So, same procedure sa pagkuha mo ng cumulative frequency less than. Sulat mo yung 4, i-add mo sa 12, magiging 16, 16 plus 18 is 34, and so on, hanggang 100. Ito, laging 100. Kasi percentage yan later on. 100. Hindi ka mo kanina, hindi palaging 50. Sana na-gets mo yung pagkakaiba ng dalawa, no? Ganun din naman yung greater than, pataas naman yon. And last is 100. Ito, always 100. Okay? So, from that, RF, para makuha mo yung P, lagyan mo lang ng percent. So, to check if your answer is correct, dapat yung total percentage natin dito will be equivalent to 100%. So, that's how to construct a frequency distribution table. This is not complete, no? Pero that's initial frequency distribution table na kailangan yung gawin. Matutunan mo yan. Okay? Yung mga susingit pa dyan. Okay, so after that, let's talk about the graphical representation of data. Okay? Graphical representation of data. Okay, now, so we have 7 class here. 7 class. Okay? Sa 7 class na yan, this is what you call frequency histogram. Gawa tayo ng 7 interval sa X. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tundok mo nila kayo. Ito mahirap kasi wala akong ruler na dapat diretso. Pero dapat kayo diretso, ha? I-picture niyo sa papel na kayo gagawa eh. Okay, so ito yung class natin. So let me call this class first class, second class, third class, fourth class, fifth class, sixth class. Ito yung 7th class, kulang pala ako. 7th class, kulang pala. Okay, so ito yung frequency. Yung frequency natin, para malaman mo yung interval, tignan mo yung frequency ng table mo. So, pinakamataas ay 12. Okay? Hatiin natin ito ng tatlo. So, this is 3. This is 6, 9, and this is 12. Okay? You can label it 1, 2, 3, and so on. Kaya lang, medyo maliit yung aking graph. So, okay na yan. By 3 na lang. Okay. What is the frequency? Frequency histogram, no? Ano yung frequency ng first class? I think 2. So, yung frequency ng first class ay 2. So, nandito yon. Okay? Actually, walang tuldok dapat, no? Wait, murahin ko na. Hindi siya tuldok. Erase. Draw. Ito yan. Dito yan. Ito yung first class. Ngayon, yung second class mo, sorry, hindi ko kabisado, 6, 9. 6. So, from this, gagawa ka ng line, nako-connect doon, tapos 6 sa 2. Hindi diretso, pakidiretso na lang. Okay? Tapos 9, di ba? 9. So, ito yung third class, 9. Yung fourth class, 10, 12, 7. 10, then 10, ito yung 10. Tapos 10, 12, 7. Ito yung 12. Dapat diretso ha, yung mismo yun. Okay. Tapos, then, 10, 12, 7. 7. Nasaan yung 7? Yun. Pasok isa sa 6. Ito yung 7. Tapos yung 7 class natin, yung last class natin, 4. So, 4. 4, 4, 4. Ayun, yun yung 4. Okay. So, pwede mo yung kulayan, gawing artistic, ikaw bahala. Pero ako hindi ko nakukulayan. That's what you call frequency histogram. Okay? So, madali lang siya. So, ikaw na bahala dyan. Next is frequency polygon. So, again, frequency to. Same procedure sa labeling. Ito yung 3, 6, 9, 12. 12, 9, 6, 3. Okay, first class, second class, third class, fourth class, fifth class, sixth class, seventh class. Okay? Yan yung description ko ha. Hindi yung 1, 2, 3, 4 as in 1, 2, 3, 4. Classes yan. 6, 7. Ito ay classes. Okay. Now, okay, gawin ko na lang guide yung aking frequency histogram, hindi Instagram histogram, para mabuo yung frequency polygon. So dito ko magtutildok. So sa class 1, 2, ang frequency niya ay 2. Tapos ang class 2 niya, ang second class niya ay 6. Ang second class ay 6. Tapos 9, then 10, yes, 10, tapos 12, ito yung 12, tapos ng 12, 7, after ng 7, 4, mga 4, okay, 4, saan yung 4, ito, okay, so mapapansin mo, meron kang mga points na nagre-represent ng frequency ng bawat class. Now, just connect the points. So, connect natin yung points. Just connect the points. Okay? That's the last point. Pero the first point should be the origin. Kailangan laging connected yan sa origin. Ang tawag yan is frequency polygon. Okay? Okay, good. Now, next is what you call the less than and greater than ogives. So, label ko lang ulit. Frequency, tapos classes. Okay. Next time, let's use X for classes. X without bar, parenthesis, X without bar or without prime. Sa X lang, X is classes. Para lang sa graph, sa graph lang ito. Okay, now, do not copy the interval of the first two representation, but copy the class kasi yung class mo is the same naman class, the same class. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, ngayon, tignan mo yung cumulative frequency less than. Ito yung cumulative frequency less than. Ang less than ogives, less than ogives will use cumulative frequency less than. Okay? So, start with 2. Sulat ko nga. Parang taas baba. Ano yan? 2, 8. 2, 8, 17, 27, 39, 46, 50. Okay. So, ito yung less than, cumulative less than. Gagamitin natin sa less than ogives natin. So, sa frequency, yung gagamitin natin dito ay, let's say 5. 5, ito maliit. 10, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay. So, that's the total number of students na may na data natin, no? So, 2. Magsisimula tayo sa 2. So, ito yung 2. Nandito yon. Okay? Yung 2 nandito. Less than 5 but greater than 0. Somewhere here is your 2. Next is 8. Next is 8. That's less than 10. Okay? Next is 17. 17 is less than 20 but greater than 15. Somewhere here. Number 4, class 4, 27. 27 is here. Okay, next is 39. 39 is less, malapit sa 40, 39. Okay, next is 46. 46. 46. That's more than 45. Somewhere. Of course. Ay, sorry, loading ako. Kabila pala. 46. Ito yan. Tapos last is 50. So, again, from the origin, gawa ka niyan, yan, dugtong mo lang yung mga points. Ang tawag dyan is less than ogives. Okay? So, I assume na kaya mo nang gawin greater than ogives is leave as exercise. Kaya mo na yan. Okay? Ang forma nun, let's say, ayokong guluhin, no? Pero, kung ito yung graph, kung ito yung graph mo, kung ito yung less than ogives mo, nandito naman yung greater than ogive mo. May ibig sabihin yung intersection yan later on. Importante yan. So, kailangan alam mo yan. Okay? Next, our last is what you call the pie graph. You are familiar about this, no? Yung pie graph. Ngayon, anong gagamitin natin dito? If you divide your pie using your diameter, it means that this is 50% of the pie and this is 50% of the pie. So, maliwanag yun. Yung 50 na yan, pag hinati ko, 25, 25, and so on and so on. Okay? Dito, gagamit ka ng percentage. Ito yung P. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. 4%. Okay? Unahin natin yung pinakamalaking class. 20. So, medyo mahirap dito. Ang liliit pala nito, no? Sige, gawin na lang natin. Sulat ko muna para hindi taas baba yung ano. Hindi ko na-copy eh. 4, 12, 18, 20, 24, 14, 8. So, gumawa ka ng pie graph, kunin mo yung center. The first thing na gagawin mo is kunin mo yung center. Let's say ito, I don't know kung eksakto, no? Pero ito, let's say ito. Gawa ka ng radius. Tapos, hatiin mo yan. Hatiin mo to. Ito, 100% to. Hatiin mo. For example, no? For example, you assume ito yung 20%. Let's say lang, ito yung 20%. Okay? Ito ay nasa class. Ito ay class number 4. Okay? Ito yung 4 mo. Bilugan ko may class 4 yan. So may bilog class 4. Sunod natin yung 24. Mas malaki dapat dito ng konti. Ayan. From the center, gawa ka ng medyo mas malaki. I-label mo naman yan, 24%. Ang 24% ay class number 5. Okay? Tapos, 18. Mas maliit ng konti sa 20. Mas maliit lang ng konti. Let's say 18 to. Ay, dapat pala. Ito pala 25, no? At medyo lakihan ko to. Burahin ko to. Okay. Erase ko yun. Ay. Erase. Bro. Mga ganito yung 20. Tapos, 18. Let's say 18 to. 18%. Naka-label naman. No? Ang class ng 18 ay third class. Tapos, 14. Yung 14. 14%. 14. 6. Number 6. Class number 6. 14. 12. Tapos 12%. Second class. Second class. Ano ba? 12 na, no? 12. Then, 8. Yung 8 natin. Yung 8 natin. Ito na lang gawin kong 8. 8. Ano ba yung 8? 7. This is number 7. Ito yung 12. Hirap. 12. Basta yan, 12. 12% is second class. So, our last, hindi siya accurate kasi hindi naman ako gano'n nagsusukat. Pero dapat, sa inyo, pag ginawa nyo, medyo maliit talaga yung 4. Siya yung pinakamaliit sa lahat. So, kaya nyo na yan. Okay? 4%. 4%. Ito yung 1. Kompleto ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So, let's say ito lang yung 4. Okay. So, kailangan medyo makatotohanan yung inyong paghati. Pero kung gusto mo talaga ng technical distribution of parts, ang gagawin mo dyan is hahanapin mo yung degrees. Ko-convert mo yan sa degrees. Okay? Di ba? Of course, yung circle is 360 degrees. Tapos, yung 360 degrees, kunin mo yung 24% nun, yung 20% nun, and so on. Tapos, gamitan mo siya ng protractor kung marunong akong gumamit. So, obviously, hindi ko kayang gumamit ng protractor dito. So, that's understandable kung bakit hindi ganong accurate yung paghati ko. No? Medyo mahirap dito yun. Protractor ako dyan. Okay? Pero alam kong kaya mo na yan. Okay, so that is your last representation. Okay, so pie graph, less than ogives, greater than ogives is leave as exercise. Frequency, polygon, frequency, histogram, nagawa naman. Ito, importante, dapat naintindihan mo yan kasi lahat doon, lahat ng representation, dito kukuha ng i-represent nila. Okay? So, recap lang tayo, no? From raw data, you need to arrange. You need to find your range. To find the range, you need to determine your highest observation and lowest observation. Blah, blah, blah. Kaya mo na yan. The desired number of glass is always given. If not given, ask me kung ano gusto ko. Okay? Kung hindi ko na ilagay. Okay. Next is, yun nga, yung paggawa ng table. Unfortunately, nagawa ko na yung table kanina kasi kung iisa-isahin ko yan, medyo matagal tong video na to. Okay? So, nandito lahat ng description ng mga headers ng ating frequency distribution table. Tinuruan ko kayong gumawa or mag-construct ng graphical representation. At this point, meron tayong frequency histogram. Okay? Tandaan nyo dikit-dikit yan walang hati-hati. Kasi pag hinati-hati mo yan, ang tatawagin mo yung bar graph. So, hindi yan frequency histogram. Okay? Kaya siya nga histogram kasi history, makikita mo yung history from 4 going to, from 2 to 6, from 6 to 9, from 9 to 12, from 9 to 10, from 10 to 12, from 12 down to 6, and so on. Kaya tinawag siyang histogram. Okay? Frequency polygon, ito yung billing ko, laging siya mag-start sa origin, tapos mag-end siya dun sa frequency ng last class mo. Okay? Yan. Bagdugtungin mo lang, no? I-connect mo lang yung mga points. Ginagamitan to ng ruler. Wala akong ruler dito. So, ito, assume to na straight to. Straight lahat ng bawat linya. Straight yan. Straight line connecting to points. Okay, less than ogives, nagamit ko na yan. Tandaan nyo, ang ginamit ko to do my less than ogive is CF less than. Now, ibig sabihin, kung greater than ogives tayo, gagamitin mo yung CF greater than. At sasalubong yun sa less than. Okay? Pie graph, pinaliwanag ko na rin. Nag-sorry na rin ako kung bakit hindi ayos yung aking paghati. Wala akong gamit na material para masakto to. Pero again, tinuro ko na kung paano. Okay? So that's all for today's video. I hope natutunan mo at naintindihan mo. Kung hindi naman, pwede mong ulit-ulitin yung video. Wait, may nakalimutan ako. Yung ating first activity nasa baba ng lecture notes natin. Ito yung activity number 1. Statistics and proba. This is for 1 week. As much as possible, kagaya ng lagi kong sinasabi, pag nangopia ka, niloloko mo lang yung sarili mo. Okay? If you are a BSED math, you need this. Alam mo yan. Sigurado yan. Alam mo yan. Hindi ka pwedeng magturo ng hindi mo alam. Kaya kailangan mo malaman to. Okay? Ready naman yung lahat. Okay? So, ang gagawin niyo sa activity is kopyahin nyo yung given sa papel. Ayoko ng yellow paper. Gusto ko white paper. Kopyahin nyo yan. Ayoko rin ng gagawin sa computer mismo kasi yung iba hindi ko sinasabing gagawin niyo yan, no? Pero yung iba kasi, iniiba lang yung font, iniiba yung pangalan, then that's it. So, anday ko isusulat mo yan kahit nangopya ka, no? Let's say nangopya ka, kung sinulat mo yan, binasa mo yan. At yung binasa mo yan, may maiintindihan ka dyan. So, doon tayo sa medyo makatotohanan. Okay? Okay, so ito yun lahat ng tinuro ko ngayon. Iniba ko lang yung data. Gawin mo yan. Frequency histogram, dalawang frequency histogram, so gawin polygon to ha. Gawing polygon. Gawing polygon. Ito na check ko. Polygon. Naturo ko na naman yan. Tapos yung less than and greater than ogives. Then pie graph. Okay? Totoo na to. That's all for now. Mag-aral mabuti. Wag nyo kayaan hindi kayo mag-aaral mabuti kahit sa ganitong pagkakataon. Kasi sayang. Sayang, no? Ingat kayo. Okay, bye.